Hello Sportyfriends users, in this video I will show you how to create a court. As always, we go into the admin section, then modules, and then court bookings. We have to enable court booking. Then we click on the wheel icon to the right hand side. Here, you as an admin can set up some settings for your court. For example, the deadline of a cancellation and minimum players on the court. That means that the member that booked the court at least needs to book with one more player. Then we click on Add New Court. I always start with setting up categories. Categories are your different facilities. I will create an indoor and an outdoor facility. I also suggest you to add some pictures because it makes it easier for your members to navigate when they book a court. Then you fill out some basic information about the court. The price you select is for a non-member. You should already have set up discounts for your members when you created the memberships. You then select the sport and add which facility. Last, you select the times that the court can be rented. Your court have now been created and your members can book them.